Ain't seen my ex blow up yet. Ain't seen my ex blow up yet. Your nipple just show, and I'll protect y'all. Find up, yeah, I got next, y'all. When I walk in the party, yeah, all these niggas on job. I got a brand new Rari, yeah, screw the brand new Rari. I don't do second chances.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Streamer Dre here, back at again with another video. And today's video is actually gonna be a get ready with me. Let's go ahead and jump right in. First things first that we're gonna do is tame these wild looking edges. I'm using the Style Factory Edge Booster and the Sugar Melon scent and a edge brush that I have. Now that I have my edges swooped, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap them up to make sure that they stay secure. I'm gonna go ahead and start on my makeup. I'm not really going to be talking a lot during the process just because you guys have seen me do it so many times before. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let y'all watch a little bit just for now. For the eyes, I'm taking a different approach to a look that I've done twice before. It's something colorful and light and fun that I really love, but I'm just making it more structured, I guess. So this is where I messed up, or at least where I think I did. Purple is not a color to really work with your eyes here, depending on how you do it. And the way this just went, it made me think I really made it look like a black eye. So I don't know, I would say maybe try a different color or maybe try it on top of your lid, but even on top of your lid, that purple's gonna look almost like a black eye. So just be aware of that if you're trying to recreate this eye look. While doing touch-ups, I realized that that green was not working well with me. I used a combination of the green from the Morphe Pride palette as well as the B&H Take Me Back to Brazil palette. As you can see, there's a big splotch, so yeah. These lashes that I'm wearing today are actually from Lyssa the Label. If you want to check that out, I have it in the description below. These are in the style Maui Wowie. I really like them. They're really long as well, but they're really nice. Also, I have a code, use it. It's DREA, and you will get 30% off your purchase. They also sell clothing on there and jewelry, so check them out. Now that this bold eye look is done, we're gonna start on the face makeup. Y'all have seen this so many times. If you want a new updated foundation face routine, then just let me know in the comments below. But y'all have seen this so many times, so we just gonna speed through.
justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the front sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for?
Sometimes I like to use the browns out of my makeup palette, so I'm actually using the dark brown color from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette on my outer line of my lips, and then using the lighter brown color from the Wanderlust Profusion palette on the inside of my lips. And I'm just taking this Mango Butter Hydrating Lip Gloss from the brand Broadway and putting that over it. Now I'm just putting on my jewelry, so I'm putting on my earrings and also my nameplate and Vivienne Westwood knockoff necklace. I'm going to go on to the hair, so now I'm going to be styling it. I just want to put it in 2 simple pigtails, like, you know, kind of childish, like a kid, but make it look grown. I don't even know how you do that, but make the kid look grown, since they all want to be grown anyway. If you think that I'm done, you're sadly mistaken. I'm actually gonna add these barrettes in my hair, one pink and one green, to kind of coordinate with the look. I remember wearing these vividly as a kid, like a lot. If you've also worn these before, you know, comment some colors that you wore down below. For the last accessory, I decided to put on my sheer pink butterfly stiletto XL set. I thought that it would go really nice with my outfit. My outfit is actually from Hello Black Child on Instagram. I really like it. It's not typically something that I would wear, but it's not bad. I really like the crop top. I'm gonna wear that with more jeans or so. The shorts I'll probably wear more so in the house, but they're very comfortable. Other than that, yeah, this is basically the whole look. I literally wasn't going anywhere that day. I just wanted to take some pictures for the gram. You know how it be. If you really like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also follow my social medias. It's going to be all linked in the description down below, as well as this set. Everything that I used on my face will also be included in the description if you'd like to know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is DREA. I really hope that you like content that is related to makeup and fashion, because that is what I do. Other than that, that's pretty much all I got. So hopefully I will see you guys soon. Bye.
First class, smoke gas, not smell Zaza. No cap, and you is salty. Downgraded, I'm insulted. Turn up, yeah, I'ma turn it up. It's clean, Sprite on my double cup. You see the drip, I'm shining up. You speak a heart, it's too tough. Thought I was your dream, girl, effing. You always tried to break me. It's your loss, big up, hefty. Got him on the back, push. Ain't seen my ex, blow up yet. Ain't seen my ex, blow up yet. Your new Gucci shop, and I'm